Well, I'm here today at Gadsby School to try and raise some money to build a decent security perimeter fence for the school. There's a lot of local school children coming, hopefully, if the weather holds off, for a bit of rugby coaching. Also looking to see what kind of natural talent we've got around in the area. And that's pretty much it, raise as much money as we can. The younger ones will have a bit of fun with, do a lot of races whilst incorporating different skills, footwork, passing, tackling, staying on your feet in contact and speed. And the older guys, I'll just be looking at their natural timing with using the ball and how relaxed they are when they're holding it. I think Leicester as a county always produces good rugby talent, mainly down to it's sort of in everyone's blood. They all support the Tigers, and it's an aspiration thing where local kids all want to play for the Tigers, and that breeds confidence around the county that we can deliver a lot of good, talented players. I think we can see a lot of talent from this area. I think there'll be future international players that come from here. I like Youngs, I think it was Ben Youngs, the scrum half from Leicester. I think he can do pretty well, and you never know, there'll be more future England stars out there, maybe even one here today. I don't think it really matters what age kids start, as long as they enjoy it. I started when I was 5, enjoyed it all the way through. If you start at 15, 16 and you enjoy the game, then just get on with it. I think if you want to be, if you've got natural ability, you can start at 16. I think Lawrence Dallaglio didn't play rugby till he was 16. He played for England. This is my local village. I like to help out wherever I can. I'm looking forward to the day. If the weather if it doesn't rain, I think it'll be a fantastic day.